Welcome back. 6:15 on this Tuesday morning. You know, it's April the 15th, and you know what that means. The last day to file your taxes is today. Despite recent layoffs at the IRS, the federal agency has not outright said whether there will be any major impacts this year.
However, it is important to file on time and not wait until the very last minute. KVUE's Kelsey Sanchez joins us in the studio to break down what you need to know. You've got some tips, right, Kelsey?
That's right. So like Brian said, just make sure you file on time and have everything you need to know. But, you know, again, if you are a procrastinator or you just got your W-2 form late, which it does happen, it's important to know that people have until midnight tonight to process their taxes. But of course, that depends on whether you filed it through the mail or online. So if you're submitting returns through the mail, the IRS will consider them on time so long as everything is postmarked correctly by the due date. Now, the penalty for not filing is higher than the penalty for not paying. But if anyone needs an extension, there are 3 ways to request one. A person can use the IRS free file, which is simply requesting an automatic tax filing extension online, requesting an extension by mail, or simply paying what you owe if you owe any money online and checking off a box that states you are paying as part of a filing for an extension.
And if you can't pay, we'll work with you. Just go to irs.gov. We got lots of different payment programs that you can start right off the bat. You figure out what works best for you, the payment period and how much and when, and just fill that out and send it in. And in most cases, we'll accept it without any response.
And because mistakes do happen and for some reason you forget to report income, a missed deduction, or made an error of any type, you'll submit an amended return. There's a tax tool form online that details all the steps you need to know, but if you file with a professional, they can fill it out for you. Again, that deadline is at midnight, so just make sure you get that done. Brian and Yvonne?
Oh, yes. We're T-minus, I don't know, I don't do math at this time of the morning. T-minus.
I don't do math at any time of the day, so.
Thank you.
Thanks, Kelsey.